Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Maynard. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I want to encourage you just at the beginning here to go ahead and check out the links below. Don't forget to do that. And today I've got something that I signed up for that I didn't even know. I didn't see it advertised. I am subscribed to the YouTube channel of Paperwishes by Hot Off the Press. I think it's just by Paperwishes though. And they had this monthly, I really gotten a lot of their fabulous folded dies in the past, and I really enjoy using them. Actually, here's one that's a file folder that I've been working on with a project here for a journal. They have several, but they noticed they had a monthly subscription to it, so I thought I would try that out. You did get a free gift for signing up, and that is this bow die quick and easy. Comes with this little mini one and then this larger set. Here's an example of some of their other dies on the back, and I guess there's that bow there in the works. So I got that, I think, for signing up for the subscription, and then I think you get a free gift, a little gift with your fabulous folded card of the month, I guess. This is my first one, which was the circular step card cutting die, and of course it depends on when you sign up which die you're starting with, but they sent this beautiful double-sided paper. It's really great quality. It's super thick, and I mean sturdy in the sense, not thick in terms of heavyweight, but it's really great quality and beautiful designs. You can see that sort of honeycomb there, sunflowers, some cut aparts, the chicken wire, these sunflowers. Looks like it came out of a paper pad, maybe, like that. And those designs there. Very pretty. So I'll have to use those for something. Maybe when we get to the summer. This is the circular step card cutting die, and as you can see from the picture here, it creates this sort of leveled out circular rocker kind of folded die. And what's nice about it, here are their other dies. Actually, I have quite a few of these that I've gotten in the past, but they give you the directions on the back of the packaging, which is nice, and which one is the mountain fold and which one's the valley fold. So that's very helpful, and it's in this nice sturdy envelope, which I really like when companies do that, because I am not good at organizing. And I need things like this, so I'm very glad for that. So I went ahead and I cut it out of some cardstock that I had. Now I will say it measures just under 6 inches, so you should be able to get it through. I went sideways like this through my Big Shot, my regular size Big Shot, and it was fine, and it cut out in one beautiful pass. Now some of their dies do come with the layering pieces. This one does not. So if you want to make a layering piece, which I'm going to attempt to do with this piece of Maggie Holmes paper, and but first I wanted to just go ahead and cut that out. It cut beautifully, as all their other dies do, and then you can see the score lines, hopefully, maybe, I don't know if you can see the score lines and the cutting dies. So here I've got a piece like this, and then I'm just going to come along the inside the best I can. Make it a little bit smaller. And then you can cover it like that. Make layering pieces. I don't know. I'll have to play around with that. But the folding of it, picture with the bigger rounded bit on the back. Mountain, mountain, mountain. Okay, so mountain, mountain, mountain. Valley, valley, mountain. You're going to have to just pinch in the beginning. Another good reason to cover up the cardstock. And then go like this. Now, of course, you could do it any way you wanted, right? This is just how the die was designed. And then it just sits like that. You can see that. And that would be your front. Almost like a stepper card, but it has this rounded bit. And then you can cover, and it's a matter of decorating. Now they have put lots of trim and things on here. It looks like they use double-sided paper for theirs. And then they decorated with some different little ephemera, and then they put, looks like glued to this piece, they glued like, I guess you could do, like here's a little flower bug thing I have here. You could put things sticking up above. In terms of envelopes, it's for an A2 size card. So let's see. So that doesn't quite fit in there. So you'd need an envelope that you could put that in sideways. Depending on what you have sticking out, you'd have to measure the overall length of your envelope or of your card once you've got, you know, your embellishments and things on here. I wanted to alert you to that Paperwishes, I don't know if it's paperwishes.com. Yes, paperwishes.com, and they have these fabulous folded card dies that you can buy separately, but then they had that monthly subscription and you did get the free paper, and then I got the bow set for signing up. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that. I didn't get this for free or anything. I just thought that I like their dies. I do want to put it out there, guys, if you're watching from that website, layering dies would be like perfection. This is a version of, I cut out the pattern paper and the cardstock and then laid it flat like this and glued it down and then scored it. And so you just have a little bit there, but it's very sturdy, and then all of the paper is covered. So that is one other option. So here's my finished card. I put this little oval that I had from my stash, layered it with some Maggie Holmes paper to match, and I like how it came out. And then you can put your sentiment on the back here, like cut out your sentiment in a nice shape or something, or a banner, maybe like one of these. I've been playing around with my new Anna Griffin slimline, so you could put your sentiment on there, something like that. But it makes a really nice, fun kind of surprise card that's a little bit different and sits up nicely on someone's table. And you can write a private note on the inside if you don't, you know, if you want something in addition to the back and don't want people reading it, I guess. You could put a piece of white here and then write your message there. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Maybe you'll check that out at paperwishes.com. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.